Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're going to jump just 5 years into the future to see how setting one simple goal will completely change the way we work alongside machines. We're asking the big question, what exactly is Agentic AI? Because what we are looking at right now is the very beginning of the autonomous AI revolution.
Let's start with Section 1, the autonomous future.
Okay, I want you to imagine waking up tomorrow morning, you pick up your phone and you just say, I want to start a successful online business this year. You don't ask it how, you don't map out every single step. You literally just describe your goal out loud. And within seconds, your AI doesn't just give you an answer, it actually goes to work. It's like a giant puzzle coming together. One intelligent agent dives into researching products and competitors. Another one starts tackling your business plan and marketing strategy. A third agent is designing a sleek, professional website, while another is crunching the numbers to estimate your budget. There are no endless prompts, no flipping back and forth between a dozen different tools. Honestly, by the time you finish your morning coffee, an entire, ready-to-go business blueprint is just sitting there waiting for you.
Moving on to Section 2, reactive versus agentic AI.
So, for years, traditional AI has absolutely blown our minds, right? But it's always had this one major limitation. It waits for instructions. Every single action requires a prompt. It's basically always asking, okay, what should I do next? Now think about hiring a new employee. You wouldn't tell them, all right, open the computer, now click this exact button, now type this specific sentence, and then hit save. No way. You just explain the objective. You tell them what needs to be done. And that is exactly what Agentic AI achieves. It understands your ultimate objective and instead asks, what is the best path to reach this goal? It figures out the entire process on its own. It's a total game changer.
Now let's look at Section 3, AI in the real world.
This shift goes way beyond just building businesses. Imagine trying to plan a family vacation. Instead of you spending hours stressing out, comparing flights, hotels, and restaurants with a dozen tabs open, an agentic vacation planner just quietly handles all the research in the background. It compares thousands of possibilities, builds a custom itinerary, and even adjusts it automatically if flight prices suddenly change. It warns you about bad weather, keeps the whole trip strictly within your budget, and all you have to do is sit back and review the final plan.
Or imagine you're a doctor. You have an AI medical assistant that organizes patient records, highlights the really important lab results, flags possible risks, and prepares a complete summary before you even set foot in the exam room. The absolutely crucial point here is that the doctor is still the one making every single medical decision. But think about the incredibly valuable time that gets saved. It allows them to actually focus on the patient right in front of them, instead of digging through mountains of reports.
In the realm of science, this gets even more profound. Right now, there are millions of scientific papers out there. I mean, way too many for any human to ever read in a lifetime. But these agents, they can search through massive amounts of research, spot hidden connections, and suggest really promising areas for investigation. Scientists get to spend way less time just searching for data and way more time actually discovering new breakthroughs.
Which brings us to Section 4, the digital workforce.
Businesses are already dreaming up the immense possibilities here. Picture an entire team of AI agents working for you. You've got one handling customer service, another is keeping a close eye on finances, another is tracking inventory. You have one dedicated to managing cybersecurity, and yet another planning out all your marketing campaigns. Each agent takes on its own specific responsibility, but they all operate together simultaneously. It's literally a highly intelligent 24/7 digital workforce.
Now, I want to pause for a second here because this is super vital to understand. Agentic AI is not replacing human intelligence. It's extending it. At the end of the day, people still create the vision. We define what success looks like. People make the ethical decisions, and people remain completely responsible for the outcomes. The AI is simply there to help execute the work faster, way more consistently, and across many complex tasks all at the same time.
Next up is Section 5, ethics and human control.
As this technology becomes, frankly, dramatically more capable, we really have to ask ourselves, how much freedom should an AI actually have? We have to figure out who remains responsible if an autonomous system makes a mistake. How do we protect user privacy when an agent is out there acting on our behalf across the internet? And how do we actively prevent people from misusing it? Answering these questions isn't just theoretical anymore. It's becoming incredibly critical for our society.
Finally, Section 6, the next technological revolution.
Make no mistake, folks, we are staring down a massive historical shift. Think about it. In the 18th century, the steam engine completely transformed industry. In the 19th century, electricity lit up and transformed our cities. In the 20th century, the internet completely revolutionized how we communicate. And now, here in the 21st century, Agentic AI is poised to fundamentally transform human work. This shift toward autonomy is just the natural next step, and it could bring a revolution on the exact same scale as the internet or electricity.
And this isn't happening because machines are somehow becoming human. Now, it's because humans are gaining intelligent partners that are capable of helping us solve problems on a truly massive scale. The future won't simply belong to the people who just use AI. It's going to belong to those who understand how to work alongside these intelligent agents as powerful, collaborative partners.
Today, we're standing right at the very beginning of that journey. If you enjoyed this explainer and want to stay ahead of the biggest AI advancements, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. In our next explainer for Season 4, Episode 2, we are going to uncover the mystery of how Agentic AI actually thinks, plans, remembers, and makes decisions without waiting for constant instructions. Trust me, the answer might completely change the way you view artificial intelligence. The future isn't waiting, it's already here. But the ultimate question remains, are we truly ready to manage the autonomous minds we're about to create?